Okay, folks, this is going to be just a quick video. This is a Poulan snowblower. I haven't done a review on it, but I think I will very soon. I've had it for, when did I have this? I'm sure I wrote it down somewhere, but it's 2000 and maybe 2014. It served me well. I did go through a few builds, but that's different issue. What I want to do is just a quick video on welded start. I just took this out. I haven't started it yet. So all I do for storing the equipment is I fill the gas tank, which I better check. Sorry for the lighting situation. Yep. So down a bit, but so I fills up the gas tank. I don't cut off the gas supply to the carburetor, and I just lets it sit. And I've never had a problem, so I'm going to see if this is going to start. It usually starts at the second pull normally. So I got one hand here, so I don't know if I got. So I just turn it on. 6 or so pumpies, and I check the gas. This here is on yet. Come on, don't let me down, baby. Don't make a liar out of me. So, I took what, 3-4 pulls that time, but I usually always give her like 10 shots of primer. But yeah, so that's proof. But I know that it makes a difference if she's stored outside. I don't know if it makes a difference. You know, sometimes I do. Where is it? The stable, whatever. I don't think that's crucial to anything. I think it helps, in my opinion. I know Taro Fixes All and stuff like that. It's just snake oil for the most part. He done a really good experiment, the best you'll see on the internet, I think. However, I think it does help a little bit to keep it from gumming up. But this stuff here is what I use for cars and that. But I put that in all my all my gas, right? I think it does something. It's supposed to, you know, give you better gas mileage and injector cleaner. I know there's no injectors or anything like that. It's like a conditioner for the pistons and stuff. Been using it for years and never had a problem. I don't know if that helps. I'm trying to answer the questions that people have emailed me. That's it. That answers your question. You've seen it right here. This is the first time. I just took it out from that spot right there. So yeah, we're supposed to be getting a lot of snow, so hopefully I'm ready. Thanks, guys.